So I've been with National Flexible now for over 10 years. Through that time I've had a variety of roles within sales, within technical, within the supply chain and within the NPD as well. So I've worked in various different areas of the business. I took on these workshops about 3 years ago now actually. Obviously I wasn't in a position to do that any earlier than really 3 years ago, because simply it's by doing those different roles and through asking questions and pushing myself that you're able to basically gain the amount of information you need and the knowledge to be able to hold these sessions and do them justice, and as well as that to constantly refresh and update the material within there. My favourite time within the business has been running these sessions, and that's primarily due to the fantastic feedback that we get from them, so that's why. The first reason is that it keeps me on my toes. So it keeps me looking forward, constantly looking towards the market to see what new technologies are out there, what new materials are there, what new innovations are there, so that the content can be regularly updated and kept as fresh as possible. Also, I quite enjoy passing on the knowledge that I've gleaned over the time I've worked in the business, and it's really great to see the delegates coming along and getting something out of it and asking some interesting questions, and it just being thought-provoking for them generally. And probably my last reason, which is the most recent one, is during the past 2 years with the coronavirus pandemic, where we've not been able to get out and about and see people as much. It's great to be able to see people in person again. Especially the customers that we have such good relationships with. It's great to see them in the flesh and get talking to them face to face again. So yeah, they're my reasons. Well, we collect feedback after each session. And I have the pleasure of reading these, and there's some absolutely fabulous comments on there, from these sessions that we've collected. Since the time we started these courses and we started collecting feedback, 100% of delegates said they would recommend this to their colleagues. So this is over 1,300 people. My favourite quote that I've ever read was from our biggest customer, who one of the delegates on that course said, "This was my whole degree course compressed into one day," which is really, really lovely feedback to get, and it just shows you the length and the breadth of the content that's covered within this programme.